So this is day one of like trading my 2K account, and I was down like $4. That was just that's just a little stuff. So this morning on Tuesday I didn't actually check the chat. On Monday, sorry, I didn't actually like go through the chat, but though I was watching it. So this morning I saw an opportunity on this pair and on GU. You know, it correlates with EU. So there's like an SMT between EU and GU. Understand? I don't know if you can observe the SMT. This previous day low, which is Monday. This also. Let me go to the daily time frame. Yeah, basically price taking out Monday's low. So I'm expecting like a shift or something. Whereas Tuesday is forming the low of the week. You get. So that's just obviously how I'm seeing the markets currently. You check 15 minutes, GU has shifted already. I mean EU has also shifted, forming a fair value gap. Just for it to like dip in, actually touch this OB before buying. Where the pair I entered was GU. So I'm expecting to like get to this discount before actually like buying, targeting a 3R. So guys, this is what I actually hate about prop. Like I set my limit here, like here. I set my limit on here particularly. This 1.30460. Can you believe it triggered me on TradingView, but it didn't trigger me on the prop. When I added spread, or I added spread. Like my initial entry was somewhere here and it was a sniper on the TradingView, but on my prop I shifted it up so that it got to spread, and it didn't still trigger me. So I just had to close the other one and entered manually. So and in turn I still shifted my SL because I don't expect price to like reduce that much this level, and as always targeting a 3R. So let's just see how it goes. I'll post the result later. Peace. So this is how it's currently going on my 2K prop. This is how it's currently going on my 2K. This is how it's currently going on my 2K. This is how it's currently going on my 2K. So I just hope it like get to TP and stuff like that. So let's see. Let's see. I'll post result later though. And this is another prop shot. This is another prop, but I'm like in huge drawdown on this. I'm like in a huge drawdown on this one. But we hope for the best though. Hope for the best.
So yeah. This is the actual result of the trade. Yeah, 3R hits. On to the next one. I'm done for the day. Like I'm fucking done for the day. Yeah.
So guys, my trade actually hit TP this morning, and I'm actually done for the day. GBSD, you know, I was down $4 today, so came back and I'm up just $13. So I'm done for the day. Let's see how we do this. We go about this account, because I've blown like 7 prop accounts, and I don't even know why. But then I didn't just know what happened to me then. But I think I'm good to go now. Not that I'm feeling like the boss now, not that I just hit this TV, but I just have that feeling that this time will be different from other time. So this is the current account overview. Yeah, so let's just see how it goes. Guys, please, I started this channel new, so I'll need your support to like grow. Understand? So I want you guys to like accompany me as I pass my first prop on here. I don't know if I'll blow it, because I might still blow it, who knows. I just pray everything moves smoothly though. Thank you guys. One love. Please subscribe.